Good morning, students. Yesterday we have completed chapter number 1. Today we will start chapter number 2, Principles of Management. Before understanding the chapter, first of all, you should understand the meaning of principles. The meaning of principle is a general specific law that has numerous special application. That means a particular law is framed. A particular एक लॉ बन जाता है पर्टिकुलर चीज के लिए एंड आफ्टर दैट लॉ इज यूज्ड इन डिफरेंट एरियाज फॉर देयर ओन पर्पस दैट इज नोन एज अ प्रिंसिपल्स फाइन so certain principles of management are made from the entrepreneurs, from the gurus, and by that different organization use these principles for their welfare of your organization. Fine. That means in the OC, in the management, there are so many different gurus are there like Peter F. Drucker, Henry Fayol, Chester Burnett, Frederick Taylor. These are the famous management gurus. They have given different types of principles, fine, and on the basis of these principles we can take these principles in our organization and we can हम लोग उस principles को अपनी applicability के according use कर सकते हैं अपने organization में. These principles are not compulsory to use और these principles are not pure science कि यही ऐसे ही use करना है. As and when time and circumstances change, the principles also change. Fine. क्या होता है किसी कंपनी ने अपने खुद के ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए कुछ इस टाइप के प्रिंसिपल्स बनाए हो फाइन जो उनकी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए सुटेबल हो बट इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी दैट दीज प्रिंसिपल्स आर सुटेबल ऑल्सो फॉर आवर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. These are just guidelines. By that guidelines, with the help of these guidelines, आप अपने organization को manage कर सकते हो. It is about this chapter, that is principles of management. Let us start the meaning of principle of management. Principles of management plays role of a guide. Guide means they are giving the instructions. They are giving you the guidelines. Fine. For the managers. Now to whom they are giving the guidelines? Who is managing the business? Managers. So these principles are the guidelines for the managers. In fact, the principles of the management are not the rules. These are not the rules. Rules means what? That means you have to compulsory follow it. These principles are not rules. These are the guidelines. With the help of these guidelines, you can adopt in your organization. It is only the sum and substance of the assumption, traditions and experiences. In different organizations, different persons or different managers or different management gurus have experiences or have assumed certain things. On the basis of that, they have prepared certain principles. So, with the help of these principles, you can apply in your organization for the betterment of your business. Fine. So, this is the meaning of organization. Different management gurus have obtained conclusion in different situation and it has been proven practical. That means कि उन्होंने कुछ अलग अलग टाइप के assumptions, अलग टाइप के उन्होंने experiences किए थे अपने organization में and whatever they have experienced in their organization it proven right. मतलब उनका वो experience जो हुआ था experiment जो भी उन्होंने किया था वो experiment कैसा गया था correct गया था. As well as per its execution, people got perfect result as well. Thus, these principles have become the part of the management procedure for the business unit. So, it is all about the meaning of principles of management. Let us understand the concept of principles of management. First, what point is saying that management is the combination of an art and science. You have already seen in the chapter number 1 that is a management is a sweet combination of art and science. It is not pure science. Pure science is based on certain rules, regulations that is stick that you have to follow it compulsory. But management is based on certain rules. Management also using certain art, but that is not stick. Next point what they are saying, the changes take place in the principles of management to cope up with the new changes. That means these principles you can use in the organization, but as and when your organization change, as and when time and circumstances change, as and when the market scenario is changed, these principles can also be changed. Next point, principles of management are the detailed and the perfect guideline for decision making and its implementation. जैसे बेटा in the school while you are coming and while you are getting the education, so we teachers are there to give you the guidelines. Likewise हर इंसान को हर जगह पे कोई ना कोई टाइप की गाइडलाइंस, कोई ना कोई टाइप के इंस्ट्रक्शंस चाहिए होते हैं. सो दीज प्रिंसिपल्स हेल्प्स द मैनेजर्स to take the important decisions or to implement the important decisions with the help of these guidelines or with the help of these principles. Fine. Next, two main point which I will explain is a difference between methods or techniques and principles, values and principles. First of all, we will see the point. Methods or techniques are the set of steps taken to achieve the target. ना मेथड और टेक्निक से एक ऐसा होता है कि हम लोग कोई भी टाइप के टारगेट अचीव करना होता है. फॉर दैट वी आर अडॉप्टिंग सर्टेन मेथड, वी आर अडॉप्टिंग सर्टेन टेक्निक्स. फाइन. बट टू इम्प्लीमेंट दीज टेक्निक्स, इस टेक्निक्स को किस तरह से इम्प्लीमेंट करना है या ये टेक्निक्स को किस तरह से करेक्ट करना है, फॉर दैट वी आर यूजिंग दीज प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ मैनेजमेंट. while the principles are the guideline for the decisions which have been taken during implementation of the technique. Got it बेटा? टेक्निक को भी कंप्लीट करने के लिए या मेथड को भी कंप्लीट करने के लिए कि मेथड किस तरह से किया जाएगा, फॉर दैट वी आर यूजिंग द प्रिंसिपल्स. नेक्स्ट डिफरेंस बिटवीन इज अबाउट द वैल्यूज एंड द प्रिंसिपल्स. नाउ वैल्यूज आर द एक्सेप्टेबल और प्रिफरेबल. It relates with the morality. Now the word values means what? One's judgment of what is important in life. ये खुद के ऊपर होता है कि आपके लिए आपकी लाइफ में क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है. वैल्यूज किसी के लिए कंपलसरी नहीं होती है. आपकी वैल्यूज कुछ अलग होंगी तो किसी और पर्सन के लिए कोई वैल्यूज अलग होंगी. एंड इट इज बेस्ड ऑन मॉरलिटी. मॉरलिटी मीन्स what is right for you or what is wrong for you. It might be happen certain things which are right for you, but might be it is wrong for me. So it is depends on my values. Fine. Likewise, while the principle are the universal truth and guidelines for the human behavior. These are the universal truth which you cannot change it. ये ऐसा ही होता है, ऐसा ही रहेगा. Fine. So these are the concept of principles of management. Afterwards we will see other concepts. Thank you.